Up in the sky. There's one bright sun shining down on us. Say it with me. 1. We wear 2 shoes on our feet. Left foot, right foot. 2 shoes. Let's count. 1, 2. At the street corner, we see a traffic light with 3 colors: red, yellow, and green. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. A chair stands on 4 strong legs. Try counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 legs. Look at these adorable pandas. There are 5 pandas playing in the grass. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 6 colorful crayons. Can you name the colors? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, a rainbow. It has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at this friendly octopus. It has 8 wiggly legs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa! So many balloons. There are 9 balloons floating in the air. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yummy! 10 cupcakes all lined up. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. Thank you.